Planned and preventative maintenance might seem like a bit of a drag, but there's loads of great benefits to it. It reduces your chances of ending up with a hefty repair bill, and when your equipment is running efficiently, it uses less energy, so your fuel bills will be lower too. It is essential to make sure your equipment is always compliant with health and safety regulations. Without maintenance, the risk of something going wrong is much higher. Why take the chance? Regular maintenance reduces the chances of plant failure, which could lead to short or long-term business closure. And it also ensures that warranty is kept valid. We know that maintenance isn't the most exciting thing in the world and nobody looks forward to it. But remember, getting it done is better than waiting for something to go wrong.